Cajun Truffle Butter Lobster Tails. This right here is everything. Let's get into the recipe. So we are going to begin with 4 lobster tails. I'm just taking my kitchen shears and slicing the shell right along the top. Then I am taking my knife to slice through all of that lobster meat and taking my hands to pry it open just like this, so you have a nice beautiful presentation. And you want to continue this until you have all your lobsters ready to go. Let me know down in the comments, do you prefer cold water lobster tails like Maine lobster, or do you prefer Florida lobster? Let me tell you, my preference is cold water lobster. It is way more sweeter, way more flavorful, in my very humble opinion. So we did drizzle a little bit of oil on our tails, and we're gonna drop that seasoning right over the top. It will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well for you to reference to. You want to make sure your lobster tails are well coated up just like this. Now we're gonna move on. I got my pan nice and hot to about a medium high. I drizzled a little bit of oil and we're dropping our lobster tails right on in. We're looking to get a nice beautiful sear, a wonderful color on these tails right here. Come on now, you're gonna let it go for let's say 2 minutes per side. Go ahead and give it a flip, and you're gonna let it sit there on the other side for the same amount of time. Then we are gonna remove it from the heat and work on that delicious sauce, baby. So we are gonna drop in about half a stick of some unsalted butter. You wanna go ahead and melt that down. We're also gonna throw in some chopped onion, some garlic paste, but you can also use minced garlic if that's what you have. You wanna go ahead and mix all of that together. You really want that butter to melt all the way down. And we are gonna also add in a little bit of chicken broth. That is my key to get this a nice consistency. Instead of it being just so oily, it really comes together like a really nice sauce. Also, here's the key ingredient. We are using some truff hotter sauce. You could use the truff hot sauce, whatever intensity of heat your heart desires. Go ahead and get that in, as well as the remainder of that dry seasoning. Get everything in this pan right here. Okay, now once our sauce is pretty much ready to go to your liking, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and get your lobster tails right back in, okay? And grab a spoon and get to basting your lobster tails in this wonderful, delicious, flavorful sauce that you have in front of you. Come on now, stop playing with me. This right here is straight pressure. You know what I was missing? I was missing some freshly chopped parsley. Didn't have none on hand. Also, I was missing, what else I was missing? Some fresh lemon, but that's okay. This still came out so delicious. You're definitely gonna love this. You definitely gotta give this one a try. I let it simmer for an additional, let's say 2.5 minutes or so in that pan with the sauce, and you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down. This right here was a 10 out of 10. You must try it again. This one right here is so special and you gotta give it a try. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. And comment down below, let me know what you think about it. And I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.